Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Yoyo Comb Ballroom Turn. Obviously knowing how to do a yo-yo already would be helpful. Knowing how to do comb or just a standard yo-yo comb, that would be great. And knowing some familiarity with things like a First Move Ballroom Turn would be really good too. So links to those useful things in the description below in case you want to go back and cover any of that stuff. Assuming you're ready, the Yoyo Comb Ballroom Turn looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Let's break it down. Starts like a standard yo-yo, so we go right to right, we go semicircle back, we come in side by side, we twist the ladies out. So that is standard. This is where things change. We're going to cut across in front of the lady and we're going to comb the right hand over the guy. As we do that, because we're bringing the lady towards us and the lady already has the left foot forwards, the ladies are going to be getting ready to put their right foot forwards. So we come in, lady's right foot comes forwards, left arm goes around the lady's back, and from here guys could go back right, we bring the lady forwards with their left and we just rotate to the right. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously how many steps you want to do in freestyle is up to you. You'll naturally style it with the arms out, and if you do, then you can do this ending because you can just reach over to the lady's wrist, guide her across to the right. As she turns away from you, you can do a Wurlitzer preparation and then finish with a Wurlitzer spin. Yep, so you just get a return spin at the end. Let's go to the other side and we'll talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, 1, across the chest, 2, twist out, 3, bring the lady forwards to go right foot between your feet as you get the comb, 4, turning to the right, we get 2 steps, 5, 2 steps, 6, guide the lady out into the preparation, 7, return spin, 8, and catch, 1. So let's do it together. Here we go. Man's right, lady's right. Yo-yo comb ballroom turn. 5, 6, yo-yo comb ballroom turn. We go a back, in, twist, comb, turn, turn, prep, spin, and catch. And that is it. Fairly tricky move, that one. But with a little bit of practice it will come good. It will be good out on the dance floor. Hope you find what we're doing useful. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, subscribing helps promote the channel. Big thank you to everybody who does do that. Really does help us, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never need to miss anything. Last few seconds of the video, some windows come up. One of those is a music recommendation. It's a music video link, and it goes to something which would be nice to practice this move to. And of course, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.